Look, this was the, I would argue, the biggest domestic policy lie in American political history from a sitting president, how Obamacare would be rolled out. But even more significant than that, and the real source of the political problems for him, it was the biggest unforced error in American domestic policy political history. I mean, you can point to things and argue that Katrina was worse or Vietnam was worse and all these sorts of things. But this was something where the timetable was entirely under the control of the administration. The surprises were all under their control, and they just simply dropped the ball.
There was a lot of warning, Howie, about potential problems here with Obamacare, and the problems actually seemed to eclipse the warnings.
A lot of red flags that were ignored, and a lot of us were surprised by how badly it went. Look, Obamacare could still wind up helping millions. The surge in enrollment in the last 2 weeks gave a hint of that. But the rollout was so badly botched, I think we need to take a broader lens. It not only badly damaged this president, no question about that, but it undermined faith, even among some on the left, I would say, in the liberal idea of activist government programs in a way that I think will make it harder for any future president to push anything approaching this scale.
Was this the pinnacle, Charles, of an annus horribilis for the president?
It was, and for, liberalism in a sense, because I think Howie's right. This is the signature achievement of liberalism. It was sold as something that liberals had aspired to for 100 years. And then when it rolled out, it was a disaster. And I think what's important about that is, unlike the other social innovations that liberalism has wrought, this is the one that affects absolutely everybody. You do Social Security, well, if you're in your 20s, it's way out there in the future. But everybody is going to interact with the healthcare system. Everybody gets sick. At some point, everybody is affected, and that's why it's done the damage it has. It's not a theoretical issue. It is a real issue.